Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, ggfaison, and I welcome you all once again. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I'm putting together this floral arrangement for the office space. Yeah, we're sprinkling a little more spring vibes here in the office, and I wanted to share with you how I'm doing this with the florals that I picked up from the Dollar General. Also, in my last video, I failed to give a shout out as part of a challenge that is hosted by CECE's Fashion is My Passion. She's asked that we show love to some sisters here on the platform as we work together to support one another, that we all may reach our ultimate goal just by helping one another. Now, my last shout out, I gave a shout out to Wani at Wani's house, as she was my encouragement when I started creating content here on the platform. She invited me to participate in my very first collaboration. She was the one that talked to me and told me that I was holding my camera wrong. So I appreciate all the love that she shared with me in the beginning. So of course she was to get my very first shout out, along with the host of this challenge, which is CECE's Fashion is My Passion. But my next shout out is and has to go to my sisters, the Daughters of Destiny, and that is Lady Cinnamon, SHAWN on the Spot, and Debbie Bubbles. I will have all of their links in my description box. So if you are not already subscribed to their channel, as a favor to me and as to support women here on this platform through the month of March, and therefore I would love for you to go and show them love by subscribing to their channels. They have some amazing content, so I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Now, if you're new to my channel, I do welcome you here, and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you love tablescapes, home decor, shopping hauls, shop with me's, thrifting, floor arrangements, and I love to style my fashion, if any of that interests you, then I would definitely love to have you as part of this family. So go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that an upload is made here. And please don't forget to visit the shout outs that I will have their information in my description box. You guys, I'm going to let you go ahead and enjoy the music. As you see, my husband here, yeah, he's harassing me on the job, y'all, but I love it. Anyway, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that an upload is made here. Continue to be blessed, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of this beautiful day.